going on, y'all? I'm back with another video. If you guys want to check out this Studio Cut Pro, honey, girl, this Sexy here is on hit. This is Sexy 01 by Studio Cut Pro. It says what it is, y'all. Y'all see that? It says simply sexy and fabulous. Shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending this girl over, y'all. If y'all like her, let me tell y'all, $9.99, $10. $10 and you out the door looking like you got a nice fresh cut and a little bump. Y'all better check out Sam's Beauty. I'll put the link below. If y'all want to see the construction, the ins and outs of this unit, keep on watching. Woo! Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, and thumbs up this video. Okay, guys, here's how she comes packaged. Ooh, this two-tone color is a cute. I'm gonna be pretty at my baby homecoming. Yes, they having homecoming tonight. His game tonight. Yeah, this boy is huge. 6'4", size 14 shoes. Yeah, he play football. So I'm excited. I am excited. So I'm gonna be cute tonight. Let me trying to get this hang tag off. Sexy 01. Okay, just washing instructions on the back. That's about it. And what color is this in? This is 0T130. I'm trying to get this hang tag off so I can show you guys what she look like. That's the color. Should have maybe got a 1B. I don't know. I like that color. That color for the fall. And just like the first one, there's no combs. Just two adjustable straps in the back. Let me go ahead and clip this on. Alright, y'all. This time I am going to put a wig grip on because I don't want this baby to move. And I got this one because it was the only one I could find. Not that I'm going to have a part or anything, but yeah. Only one I could find. I'm pretty sure the other one's still packed up. So let's pop this baby on. No need to make this video longer than it has to be. Ooh, I like this color already. Yes, and that wig grip got it sitting just right. And the fit is just right. Yes, yes. I knew that from the other one. This is cute. I want this baby in a 1B. Yes. I want this in every color. This is pretty. When I say pretty, I mean real natural. And we know I like that wet look. So let me get it sprayed up. And besides, that makes it, I don't know, fresh out the box. That little touch of water makes this girl lay just right. Ooh wee. Girl, this is pretty. Ooh. Look at her. Yes. Yes, Stella. Get your grooves back. Lost a couple earrings over here. That'll be alright. That will be alright. Let me get my ear. Just over here, fold it all up. Girl, this is nice, nice. I like this. Talking about quick and easy. Okay, this video ain't got to be long. I'm just sitting here running my mouth. But y'all know this is cute. Y'all can go and tell me, girl, that is cute. I'm going to wear this for a couple days. I'm going to wear this for a couple days. Yes. Okay, I like them both. I like them both. Now I want another one. Okay, let me turn around. Let me turn around so I can see the back and quit talking. Hold on. Hold on. You ready? Okay. Let me quit playing and hurry up because I got to go get dressed, y'all. This is the bomb. Look at this. Natural. Oh, girl, these sexy units are sexy. For real. I like these. Okay, alright. That's the end of this video, y'all. I'm just running my mouth because I'm excited and I think I look cute right now. Okay, guys. I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed day and afternoon, an awesome Friday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.